that's cool. It's a little guy. We'll find out. First one on this came on the swim bait. Little 3.5, little paddle tail, 3.5 inch Kitech Easy Shiner. Oh. She's waking up. Woo! Here we go, folks. Back at the park. And my main goal today is to have some fun and see if I can get some reasonable comparisons of 2D versus Livescope. Let's see if I can get this camera going. So I got my Helix 10 with an ice fishing, you know, the ice transducer, regular 2D on the left side, and I got my Garmin 106SV on the right side here. And I have the LVS 32. That's the little bit older style Livescope transducer. I mean, it's just not the brand new one. We're a little on the deep side for that transducer, but it does work, and it would be an interesting comparison. Okay, see if I can get a hold of this girl. Okay, girl. Here we go. We got her. Whew. First fish of the day. Got her bee cooked with the 5/8 ounce Nishini Lure Works smelt head and a 3.5 inch Kitech Easy Shiner. Beautiful fish. There's another one down there, so I'm gonna get back down there myself. Okay, here we go. Let's get down there. There's another fish down there right now. It is about 10:30 in the morning. I've been set up for a little bit, not too long, because I got so many cameras and whatnot to set up. Took a hot minute, but I'm set up now. Probably been set up for the last 40 minutes or an hour or something. Had a couple swim by that didn't seem too interested. So here we go. So right now you can see on the 2D there's a little bit of fuzz. That's just kind of for me, you know, yanking the lure around, get some air bubbles, stuff like that. As it settles out there, give it a nice little crack and kind of get rid of that quicker. On the Livescope, I'm zoomed in just a little bit. That's a really nice thing with this Garmin unit. You can just touch and zoom in. For example, like such. So I'm zoomed in just enough to cut off like the top 20 foot, just to zoom in just a little bit. I want to view pretty much the whole water column to get that whole chase. I'm cutting off just the top 20 foot. I don't think there'll be too much in terms of like the actual chase going past that. I mean, they will eat right up under the ice though, which is pretty cool. So okay. So I dropped this down earlier for just a little bit. What this is the Nishini Lure Works Area 115 medium diver with 3 outer weights. I tried 2 earlier. It really looks quite good. Not the kind of presentation you hear of dropping a jerkbait through the ice, but I mean, it's darting side to side. You can kind of balance it in place almost, you know, vertically like this, and then you can dart it side to side extremely well, and you get a very unique presentation as it comes back up again. See, as you can see like this, and that's sick. So it worked well with the 2 outer weights, but it was dropping just slow enough. I kind of gave up. I wanted to try 3 right off the bat, see how I like that. Obviously, this is going to be not something we're going to need to get back down to the fish quick, but talk about a unique style of presentation. I've heard of this before, sort of. Like I've kind of vaguely heard that some people will weight crankbaits to fish them through the ice. Kind of seems more like one of those novelty things than reality, but you know, there might be people catching fish on it, keeping it quiet. Anyways, Hiroshi Nishini was messaging me and recommended I try it out, so figure what the heck. I'm game for trying things that are, you know, kind of thinking outside the box, so we'll see how this goes. On a jerkbait. I got him on a jerkbait. This is sick. Oh my goodness. This is sick. This is sick. Oh, that's fun. That's not the biggest fish, but whatever, dude. That's sick. Okay. Oh, that's fun. Okay, folks. Gotta watch out. These hooks are deadly. So I'd been in kind of a lull. And, of all things, the next one I got to go ate a jerkbait. I was showing this off earlier. There we go. It's bleeding just a little bit, but so get her back. But that is amazing. Nishini Lure Works 115 MD through the ice. That's sick. That made my day. See you later, girl. Come on, buddy. Choke the that shitty lure works heavyweight. Things that just slowed down the shack. So I decided to move around a little bit. Not bad. There we go. Come on. Real high fish. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Got him. Got him. Way up there. Way up there. Probably a big one, too. That's sick. Woo! That is sick. I love those high riders. Woo! She is pissed. Holy buckets, dude. Probably a really big fish. Oh, dude. That was sick. Woo! That was sick. That's a big fish. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Oh, baby. Dude, this is a big fish, I think. Whew. That's fun. No, that's a good one. Okay, get the sleeves ready a little bit. Okay. Dude, that was sick. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, dude, that's... I feel like a lot of those high riders are really big. Whew, which is what I got there. Oh my gosh, dude. My gosh, dude, that thing is crazy. Wow. Holy buckets. Dude, I really keep up with that thing. This thing's fighting, dude. This is sick. Wow. I don't know if I snag this thing or if it's just pulling it hard or what. Wow. Whew. Coming back at me. My goodness. Way off to the side now. This thing is either snagged or really creative fighter, dude. This thing is fun fish. Be a good one. That was a sick strike. I love it when they're tight like that. I made it way up there. Actually, I was zoomed in almost too far on the Livescope. I tried to zoom back out real quick for the sake of the camera. And, I don't know, dude, this is... Okay, girl. Making some really hard turns at the hole. Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't think there's a different fish. Okay, come on, girl. It's a big one, dude. It's big. Oh my gosh. This is sick. The last couple trips. Come on, girl. Making big wide circles. gonna stuck. I got her the underwater camera. Oh, great. Keep that interesting. I had an underwater camera just under the ice, but come on, girl. I'm trying to get the camera off. This could be bad. Really bad. This could be really bad. Come on. Come on. I got it. It's a big one. Oh, this is nuts. Okay, girl. Gotta get your head going. Just hit the Livescope transducer. There we go. Baby! Whew. Dude. Oh. Talk about a gorgeous fish. Oh, that is sick. That is sick, folks. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Okay. Try to get it. She was kind of caught right on the outside of the face. Whew. Okay, so the cam on me is off, but there's a Laker up awfully high and I got a jerk bait on right now. Jerk, jerk, pause, jerk, jerk, jerk. Come on, come on. Come on. Got him! Ooh, missed him right there under the hole. Incredible. I can't tell where he's at. Okay, here we go. Someone taking a look, taking a look, taking a look, taking a look. Coming in hot, coming in hot, coming in hot, coming in hot on the swim bait. Come on, girl, come on. Got him, got him. Oh, baby, way up there. I don't know how big it is. I got a mess. I was debating trying to go home, but I guess the fish are on some other plans. Okay. So, let's see what I can do here. So I just missed one on the jerkbait up way high. I was really hoping to get him on the jerkbait. Doesn't get down there very fast, so I think I don't remember if it was a different fish or the same fish that showed up near the bottom. I don't remember what the deal was. So I dropped the smelt head down. It's a 5/8 ounce smelt head, and had to work her up way high, and she ate it really high. Okay, come on, girl. Okay. So I grabbed the whole camera, hung it up on the side of the shack, and now I'm going to try to see if I can get her here. And then I should probably, because my, the main camera that I was shooting the, video of me, I was out of SD card, so. Oh, come on, girl, come on. It's a decent fish. Come on. Yep. Oh gosh, dude. That's a slob. Oh my gosh, look at that mean fish, dude. Oh. Baby. Check it out. Look at that mean fish. 5/8 ounce. The Shitty Lure Works smelt head. 3.5 inch Kitech Easy Shiner. Man, fine wire hook, but dude, it pegged it right through the bone. Oh, dude. These ones are sick. Okay. Oh, look at that beautiful creature. Not fall in my hole. Oh, baby. That is a sick Laker. She's amped. She's ready to go. Okay. Look at that tank. See you later, girl. Woo. Okay. Oh, that is sick. Okay.